Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Well, this is where it all begins. Now, as you know, I'm an old filmmaker from way back. I've been in the business a long time. I recently just been through a divorce, still going through that, and now I've been made redundant again for the second time. Here is my letter. Okay, so the second time round. Last time was pretty bad. I was at a university for 25 years and got made redundant. That was pretty rough in the middle of COVID. And then I went to this other place and now they've made me redundant after 3 years. But here's the rub, guys. This channel that I want to make is about my adventure right now as a middle-aged guy moving into a new part of my life. And I want to share that journey with you guys. I know there's many other channels out there, but I hope I can make this one just as special, and I'm sure there'll be a lot of drama unfolding on the journey. So I got made redundant yesterday, and I live in Australia, and as like a lot of the West, this place is just out of control in terms of cost of living. It's just unachievable anymore. I spend every month looking at a spreadsheet and giving away all my money, and then looking at it going, what's in it for me? I've always been a very good father. I'm a father of 4 kids, and I've always done everything right for my family. But now it's time for us to take a big risk, take a big gamble, and let's get the hell out of the West. We're heading to Thailand and Vietnam next month, and I really want to bring you guys along for the journey. I'm a pretty adventurous guy. I've had a very fulfilling life. But I find myself here. I'm single. I don't really have a social life here in Australia. All my friends have either left or they're off doing their own thing. So yeah, it's time. It's time to go. I've been going up to Thailand this year. I've probably done about 7 trips up there. I met a girl up there. We kind of separated a little bit. Now we're back in the mix again. But this is where it all begins, guys. I'm going to take some big risks. I'm going to liquidate everything I own and sell. I have no debt. And hopefully we can get out of the country with about 50 grand. And that's got to last us for a year. But I've got to be very careful what I do with my money and who I'm, helping out over there and whatnot. I still have a family here that I'm responsible for. I think I'm going to hang out in Vietnam for the first 3 months, and I want to just shoot a video per day and get the YouTube channel going for you guys. So I'm going to show you my journey there. I'm probably going to bring a girlfriend from Thailand with me, and yeah, we're both going to be out on a limb, and let's just see where it goes. Eventually I've got to go back to Bangkok. I want to do I've got to get a English teaching certification. And and then I want to teach English over there. But again, I'll bring you all along for the journey. We got exciting times ahead. I'm very scared because I've got to let go of everything here in the West, including my family. And then it's going to take me about 6 months to really get set up over there after I do 3 months stint in Vietnam. So that's the plan, and we're going to go for it. Anyway, I'm heading down to work today to clear out my desk. They got me out pretty quick, actually. They told me in the morning. I rolled up to work. I didn't even make it to my office. Got pulled into the CEO's office and got the same old drill. I've been there, done that before with the redundancy. We're going to outsource your job, yada yada yada. And yeah, you're no longer needed. So I'm 57, guys, and I can tell you now, I've been looking for work back in the academic world ever since I've been at this place for nearly 2.5 years. And I've had many interviews, and I can tell you the age discrimination is rife in this country. They all go on about every other, discrimination out there, but one thing they're missing is age discrimination. And you guys, my target audience, you may experience that in the West, and we'll talk about that. We'll make a whole vlog about that. Oh, hi Ali, it's Jeff. I've just arrived and I'll go into my office and start gathering my stuff if you want to come down. Hey guys, here we are, last day. So actually I got retrenched yesterday and here I'm coming back today, 24 hours later, to grab my shit and get the hell out of here. So without further ado, let's do this.